The legacy of 15 years, marked with integrity, transparency and quality services, Jiva Education has established its reputation as the most reliable Australian education consultancy in Sri Lanka. Jiva Education, founded by Mrs. Sujiva Fernando, is a result of her noble urge to share the student-friendly atmosphere she experienced in Australia with fellow Sri Lankans, widening its footprint under the guidance of Mr. Kolitha Fernando, Managing Director in Sri Lanka as well as globally.
At the moment, so you can say that Jiva Education is the market leader in Sri Lanka for Australian education. We have established our reputation as the most reliable and trusted Australian education consultancy in Sri Lanka.
Jiva has established itself all around the island and also in Melbourne and Brisbane, Australia, hosting the Australian Education Roadshow, which is the first and only expo to cover 3 distinct areas of the country in 3 consecutive days with free entrance and registration, counts as yet another milestone for Jiva Education. AER offered all participants direct, detailed information and service sessions conducted by Australian university representatives and expert counsellors. The comprehensive services and consultancy Jiva offers to cover every aspect of a student's life are remarkable. Airport pickups, OSHC service, onshore student visa, visa extensions, spouse visa, student accommodation, part-time jobs, student tax, graduation parents visa, IELTS PTE training, professional year, NATTI advice, air ticketing. Jiva has a range of Australian universities with bachelor and master's PhD qualifications in a wide number of subject streams, and also pathway institutes, technical and further education options in Australia. Amongst many global awards and appreciations, Jiva has been rewarded as the best performing representative of 2006
and 2016 from the Swinburne University,
and also again as the best performing representative 2016-2017 from Deakin University, Australia.
Best performing representative 2017-18 from the University of South Australia, and also the British Council Platinum Partner Award 2016.
Jiva Education further continues to make the world a stage to perform with passion and skills for our students and generations to come. Jiva Education, making the world your stage.